Over here in the garage, but it's about to get damp because it's raining, and I need to get to Randy's house. So we're gonna do another episode of Randy's Corner. Some awesome parts just showed up from Thrashin Supply. Some risers, mid-bed bars. So we're going to swap out the stock bars for the Thrashin risers. So I'm pretty excited about this. I love the look of the kind of the T-bars, moto bar. I had it on my last bike. I had Kraus last time. Going to give Thrashin a try this time. I will say though, just got back from Banff. I did 2,500 miles. The stock bars on this bike are so good. So comfortable. My shoulders were not tired or sore or pinchy or anything once during the entire trip. So I just popped them forward slightly, because they're adjustable. I mean, not even close. Hands down, best stock handlebars that Harley's ever put on a bike. For sure, a road glide, anyways. The old ones kind of had those lower buckhorn bars, and those needed to go immediately, just because they didn't fit me, being taller. So I like my hands up. These are up. These bars are in the perfect position. So at this point, it's just aesthetics, just a style thing. I like the T-bar look a bit better than kind of the mini-ape look. So I'm gonna go put those on and give it a try, see how it goes. I don't know. There is a world where the stock bars could go back on the bike. If for some reason the Thrashin ones just don't fit me right. I assume they will, but I can't say enough about those stock bars. I could ride them, never change it, as they are right now for the life of this bike, and be absolutely perfect. So, but you got to keep tweaking. And again, it's like I said, I like that T-bar style, moto bar style. I just think that looks awesome on road glides. So that's what we're gonna do. So gonna put on the rain gear and then hit the road and kick off this episode 2 of Randy's Corner. So let's go. This is Randy's son's bike that he just bought, and Randy's starting to work on it. It looks good. Already looks good. God, I love a good street bob. All right, well, now that the bike is soaked, Randy can climb underneath and get dripped on. All right, we'll try and make things a little easier on Randy. Try and dry it off a little bit so it doesn't drip on it. Man, it's dirty. Good thing I didn't wash it. I was gonna wash it yesterday, Get all the Canada dirt off of it. But good thing I didn't, because it's all wet. What's up, dude?
How's it going?
He could have taken on the grizzly in Canada.
Yeah.
Or he would have been adopted.
Yeah, he's part grizzly.
Looks like a grizzly. What's up, dude? Well, I wiped it down a little bit so it doesn't drip on our face. All right, here we go. Another episode of Randy's Corner. And if you missed the first one, this is where Randy and I work on my bike, and really that just means I hand Randy tools and he does everything. So roll the intro and let's go. Got the bunch of stuff off here. We're about to go underneath and pull the risers out, and then we're kind of halfway through. So here we go.
Yeah, those should just come right off of there now.
What should?
The bars.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. You got them. Did they send new
Yes.
bushings and everything?
Yep. Yeah, they don't like. All right, all the stock pieces are off. Now it's thrashing time.
Thrashing time.
They should probably make a shirt that says it's thrashing time. And a sticker. I'll put
Definitely.
that sticker. All right, got these set up in the position that we want. Now it's time to wire up the controls. It's hard to tell where it's centered exactly, but something like that. Thank you.
Yeah, my pleasure. Hopefully it all works out good. Let me know if there's anything that needs tweaking.
Yeah, I'll let you know. We'll give her a first shakedown ride and try not to impale myself on the stock bars behind me.
Right.
All right, we'll see ya. shakedown run, leaving Randy's house. No more rain, so let's get it out of rain. There we go. So we got the Thrashin 9.5 inch risers with the 1 inch extension, so they're 10.5. And then the mid-bend bars. On the last bike it was Kraus and it was a moto bar. It was a little bit flatter. I do like the kind of the flatter bar, but I like the mid-bend is nice. So far this feels comfortable. Maybe there we go. Yeah, it feels solid. Feels good. Hand position is in a good place. Looks nice. I think I gotta move some wires around a little bit, but I think probably the difference between this and the Kraus, and I'll have to go back and look at some photos or video, is I think the Kraus were just a little bit more narrow. These are a little wider. I think actually pretty similar to where the stock bars are that I just took off. I might have to they're sitting behind me strapped to the bike like a set of horns. So these are still fairly wide, which is actually fine, because I was a little bit worried that they'd be in here, and then that might actually be not great for long trips, because I did get a little bit some shoulder soreness, just because the bars are so narrow. But I think these are in a good spot. Out wide, good height. That 1 inch spacer brings them up slightly and also towards me slightly. Yeah, these feel good. These feel good. I like it. Up next is got a long ride to Milwaukee for homecoming. Actually going to probably swing through Iowa, go meet the Two Lane Life guys as they're doing their ride. They're riding, doing a bunch of dealer stops on the way to homecoming, and their last stop before Milwaukee is actually in Iowa, which is just south. So I think I'm going to head down there, meet those guys, and ride in with them to Milwaukee for homecoming. So that's going to be 400 or 500 miles, and then right after homecoming is Sturgis. So I'll ride home to Minneapolis, and then a 550-mile blitz in a day out to Sturgis. So that'll be a good, pretty close to 1,000-mile kind of break-in or test ride to see if I like these. But all right, we're off the freeway here. We'll find a little. This road is a little twisty. It's short. No outlet. People are not going to like me very much. But good chance to test the little scraping. Feels good. Feels solid. Sorry everybody. Oh, I've had some trees down up here. Yeah, that feels good. Haven't felt any softness. A lot of good, just a lot of control. Really happy with these bars so far, and risers. Might need new floorboards soon. first little handling shakedown. Really good. They feel really good. They feel really solid. Alright, we're gonna get home. I think this is it. I think I'm done. I know I've said that before. I'm done. I think I'm done. Probably. Maybe. I forgot about the cam. I do want to do a 511 cam. Alright. Almost done. Almost done. Well, here we go. There we are. New Thrashin Bars. New Thrashin Risers. Really, really enjoying it. Here we come, homecoming, and then here we come Sturgis. It's going to be an awesome July. Get out there. If you get out to one or both, if you can, they're back to back. So why not roll to Milwaukee for homecoming? See Jelly Roll, the Chili Peppers, 10, 15 of your favorite YouTubers are going to be there. Chance to meet them all, and then roll right out to Sturgis. Why not? We'll see you there. Well, bike is home, bars are on, they look good, they feel good, super happy with this. I'm going to show you just a rough difference between these bars and stock bars with the help of my one-armed assistant here. So I'm going to hop on the bike and we'll kind of lift up and show you where the bars are at. Okay, my beautiful one-armed assistant here has got the stock bars. Okay, let's bring them over here. Other way, flip them around.
Oh, this way?
Nope, other way.
What? Like this?
Like this, yep, there you go.
Oh.
Okay, we're gonna put them right on here. I need you to hold them right there.
Mm-hmm.
Can you hold it?
Kind of.
Kind of? Okay. All right, change of plans. Why don't you film?
Oh, okay. So take here
Yeah.
and go.
This is a video.
Okay, I got it.
YouTube is a video.
I know, I got
You
it.
should know
I
that.
I know.
You're 12 years
No,
old.
I know. I just thought it
You
wasn't
like
video.
live on YouTube.
I know. I just thought it wasn't recording, but it was.
Okay. All right, as you can see, this is roughly where the bars are. So you can see here, stock bars are just a little bit wider. So the Thrashin bars are a little bit in, just a little bit from where the stock bars are. But like I said,
Oh, I just got my finger in there.
okay.
Can we redo it?
Okay. All right. No, I'm just gonna keep going.
What?
But you can see that, like I said, the hand position height is basically about the same. So, but just so in a little bit, but still about the same height, which is pretty awesome. So, super happy about that. All right, why don't you bring the camera around here to the front? No, not my face.
What? I'm confused. Like this?
Yeah, we'll just look. There we go.
Got it.
Nope, now your fingers are in it again.
No, that's your fingers.
Oh boy, I'm gonna need to hire a new camera person. So there you go. That's about the difference. Again, super happy with it. I think it's pretty awesome. Okay, all right. Your check's in the mail. Looks really nice. Super happy with this. And ready. Nope, now you're okay. Now you're just ruining it. All right, we're ready for homecoming. Homecoming in Sturgis. Here we go. No, stop.